Okay, so I just recorded a whole video on dismantling the Prius C and install a new cooling fan. Then I realized I never pushed the start button. So, front bumper taken off, you have the front clips, bottom screws. You don't have to take the lights out, which is a good thing. So when you get to that point, you take off, this piece will come right off, which is the bumper support. Once you pop that off, that pops off. It just comes right off. Then you have the radiator support. There's four 10-inch bolts, two on each side, two on top and two on the side. Regular 10-inch socket. Then we get to this point. Just to show you, I'll put it back on. This piece was right over the condenser and the radiator. There's just two 10-inch bolts holding that in as well. That's disassembled. We'll just take a video of it so we also know how to put it back together. Then we got to this point. As you see that the radiator fill valve is connected to the side piece of the fans. That needs to be disassembled. And I think there's a couple clips down the side. And then once you're done, you're done. Change the fan. And then put it all back together. Fan goes from about $150 to $400. Obviously, I'm not gonna pay $400 between labor. You're looking at like anywhere from $300 to $600 to replace the Prius C fan. Just so everybody knows, you only have a single fan. The fan operates the AC as well as cools the engine. 208,000 miles. That's correct. 208,000 miles on this Prius C. And finally something broke. I'll give you guys a side view. This is what we use it for, Able Driving School. Works hard every day. To be honest with you, it's probably the best car we ever used for our driving school. And if there's any driving schools listening, please, you did not hear that from me. So 208,000 miles, Prius C fan. Let's get it finished. We'll show you the installation process next.